Well, hello.
Saturday.
Happy Saturday. You always got this like high-pitched voice when you come in on these videos.
I do, don't I?
Yeah, it's like a thing. Are you nervous when we first log in?
I don't know what
this is. This is like our 268th video.
I don't know what it is. You know, my best friend, which it's her birthday today. Happy birthday, Sid.
Happy birthday, Sid.
She would say I have a customer service voice. She's not wrong. So
that's more like Saturday morning cartoon voice.
Is it?
Yeah. That's
Maybe
like hello beepers.
Sorry. Fever?
Yeah.
Fever?
If you don't know what we're putting out, I will definitely put that clip in right now.
Yep.
And enjoy that. I gotta love the Canadians.
And juice for Fever. Okay. Now we know. It's a drinking time Fever. And here you go, Fever. You're drinking the juice. You're Fever. Oh no, Fever.
Welcome to Hollywood Studios.
So last time we were at Magic Kingdom, because we had gone to Magic Kingdom like 2 or 3 times consecutively, and Amber's like, the first time, and the next time we go to a theme park, it's Hollywood Studios. And I was like, okay. So here we are.
And I think we're probably coming to Hollywood Studios like a couple times in a row now.
Well, we got a great parking spot. I think we're on the edge of
the world.
Yeah, I think I could see London over here. That's how far away we are.
Oh my gosh, and it's like 3:30 on
We
Saturday.
debated leaving the park and coming back in, but
and seeing if we got a better spot.
We wouldn't be that much better off. But we came here for steps, so we'll get our steps in.
We will.
But when you have, it's 3:20. It's the maximum heat of the day. It's nothing but black asphalt from here to the gates, and there's zero shade. And when you live here, these are the kind of creature comforts you can take liberties with. Like, we are going to leave and come back and find a better spot. Not today, but we thought about it, and I'm not ruling it out for the future. So I don't know that we're going to get on a single ride today. We're certainly going to try. We're going to look. It is still the height of spring break.
It is.
Spring break here isn't just a 1 week period. If you're unfamiliar with the United States, I know we have a lot of people that watch from like Great Britain and other places. The spring break is regional here, so it's
like a 6 week.
Yeah.
Ish.
Like wherever you live, it's a 1 week event.
Yes.
But they rotate it throughout the country.
Right.
Regionally.
Like so locally, spring break was last week.
Yeah.
Locally, but that doesn't
doesn't help us.
I think if I'm not mistaken, most of my friends and their children in Texas had theirs 2 weeks ago, and it just depends where you're at.
Right.
So,
But nevertheless, here we are. It's a beautiful park. If all we do is walk around and check things out and have a drink or two, maybe have a snack, if that's all we do, this is still one of the best parks to do, and we love it here.
Have a snack possibly? No, we will have I will have a snack.
That's a certainty. You heard it here first. So look, enough talk. Let's do it.
Let's go inside. Okay, I want this shirt so bad, and my husband doesn't want it. It's the Dinosaur Gertie Ice Cream of Extinction shirt. Like, this is a deep cut.
First parking lot fail. Now this. This country's going straight to hell.
It's fine. It's fine. They only have small and 3X. I need
it's hotter than the sun.
I need a large or an extra large. They don't have it. It's only at this store.
We'll come back. We'll keep trying.
We will. I love that shirt though, because it's like, it's Gertie from Echo Lake.
Yeah.
And that feels very deep cut, right?
Everybody loves Gertie. There it is, the ABC Commissary store. We have not eaten here a lot. We've been in here like a couple of times.
Handful, yeah.
Right? But Amber, when your wife says she needs to eat, you better feed her, otherwise she'll get hangry. Combination of hungry and angry. So, what did you order?
I ordered the buffalo chicken grilled cheese with fries, and I grabbed you a drink. It's a Happy Days. It's rum-based.
Adult beverage.
Looks good. And then I grabbed a Coke Zero, so let's go pick it up.
I'm excited. First stop at the studios. Food. Well, Amber's days of being hangry are about to end. Because what did we get here?
So I got the buffalo grilled chicken, grilled cheese.
With some French fries?
And yeah, steak fries and a Coke, a diet or Coke Zero, right?
Yep.
And then I got you a Happy Days. That is rum, banana liqueur, melon liqueur, pineapple, orange juice, and grenadine.
Happy days, y'all. Cheers. All right, we're coming at you with a mid-meal update. How is it, Amber? Is it good?
It's really good.
Cross-section?
It's a little messy,
It's definitely messy.
but it's delicious. So it's the buffalo chicken grilled cheese.
Yep.
I like that they give you a little side of buffalo
Yep.
sauce, but it's definitely messy.
The fries are tasty.
I don't prefer steak fries.
Oh, yeah?
I know you like them.
Oh,
okay.
you don't mind me having a couple then, do you?
I haven't.
And I have to say, this
How do you like that?
tropical drink, it's a little heavy on the banana, but that's fine with me.
It's
I
a
like
Happy
bananas.
Days is what it's called.
Yeah, it's good. I don't know that I'd order it again, but it's tasty for now. It's nice and refreshing, though, because it is hot out, y'all. Okay, so ABC Commissary, you know, it's funny when we were walking in here, there's all these, like, signs hanging out here, like the Goldbergs, Good Morning America, the Jimmy Kimmel Show, ABC
All the shows,
So
yeah.
somebody was, like, reading them off, like, as though they, like, shot in the building, and you'd run into the stars in here. It's funny what people get excited about. You obviously wouldn't run into those people in here. That said, I really like the menu here. We'll throw it up right now as I'm talking. I don't know if that footage came out, but, like, I like it. Like, there's a grilled chicken sandwich, the buffalo grilled cheese that you just had. There's some taco dishes that sounded good.
Shrimp and carnitas.
Yeah, that's
Yeah.
right. So I think some good, relatively healthy options.
Yeah.
Oh,
Oh no!
just spilled party foul, the cocktails.
Party foul.
I know. The other thing I like about it in here is it's cozy. I like the carpeting. I like the palm trees hanging out. I like the Art Deco vibe.
Yeah.
And I like that it's not very crowded.
It's not right now.
Yeah, no, I'm sure it could and will get crowded on certain occasions, but if you time it right, we're able to take this comfortably without worrying about disturbing people. Let's put it that way. I mean, it says a lot. Am I dating myself?
You are.
We're able to broadcast.
So how do you like the drink?
You know what films here? You know what does film here? The magical McDs.
We do.
We're gonna go hang our sign outside.
We do. How do you like that drink?
The
Was
drink
it okay?
has grown on me. It got a lot better. It wasn't the banana that was dominating. I think Amber had a sip and she's right. It's the pineapple.
I think it's pineapple. Yeah.
Yeah, but it's gotten better as I've gone through it. Look, it's not going to knock you out. This isn't going to put anybody over the edge. It's not going to cause a riot at a soccer match. Let's put it that way. But it's a tasty drink. I like it.
Good.
Yeah.
Good. And I think I've mostly cleaned up the mess from your party foul, sir.
Apologies. I did it. It got me drunk enough to spill it. That was just an accident.
It's okay.
So we've looked at the lines. Nothing great. So I think we're just going to kind of walk the loop, and if we see a target of opportunity, we'll jump in.
We'll probably take it, yeah.
Yeah, and do it. So I think we're going to walk back to...
Where are we going?
Star Wars Land, Toy Story.
Oh, okay.
Walk through, right? And then,
I mean, I'd love to ride, like, Slinky, but I don't know that I want to wait in an hour-long line.
I don't know that I want to do that either.
I mean, it's hotter than they thought.
It's way hotter.
So they said it was only going to be 82 today, but when we got out of the car, it said it was 87.
And I'm bummed because we debated going swimming today.
Yeah, maybe we should have.
Yeah, well, woulda,
It's
shoulda,
fine.
coulda.
We need a walk.
We do. We're getting our steps in. We didn't film any of it. We took a walk to Riverside this morning, and that was delightful. I know a lot of our viewers love Riverside. You know who I'm talking to. Place is looking good. The boats are running. There were so many people leaving that resort this morning. I felt so bad.
Well, we showed up at like 10:45.
It was checkout time.
So everybody was like packing up and leaving.
Yeah, that like sad walk to the lobby.
Yeah, where we're like,
upset
we
faces.
feel you. We're so sorry.
But it was delightful.
Come
Molly,
back.
Molly loved it. It's a dog-friendly resort, so we took Molly over there for a nice little walk. Got some steps in there, and then we're gonna try and get to 10,000 with our remaining time here. So
Yeah,
let's get out there and do it.
let's go.
Well, we didn't make it far from the ABC Commissary, did we?
We really didn't.
Yeah, another place we don't usually stop into, Baseline Tap House. It's a great resource. We just never come here.
Yeah, because it's normally pretty busy.
It is.
But we swooped in, target of opportunity, right?
Yeah, there was usually the line is like all the way down this ramp, And right now it's like basically at the door, so it's not too bad.
Yeah, so it wasn't bad.
It's a beer heavy place. They got a great pretzel. But that pretzel's like 2,000 calories. I'm not even kidding. I looked it up.
I think it's probably even more than that.
Yeah, it's that pretzel is your entire day's calories. So
Okay,
be warned.
So
what do we got here?
You got the California Sunset, right?
Yeah, it's a
And I think
vodka-based
there's
drink with orange juice. I think
Southern
there's some.
Comfort is
Yep.
in this pomegranate and grenadine.
Yep.
And then I got a superfruit cider.
20 ounce. Yep.
I think it was Colorado Brewing Company. It's really good. I love a cider, so.
Yeah, and it's nice out here. Like it's a nice environment.
And like we're under shade and.
Yeah, it wasn't too much. I mean, like the tables are
it's
widely
warm
available.
out, but like it's also got a nice breeze. So.
Oh, it's gorgeous out today. So.
Yeah.
Cheers, y'all.
I just like the attention to detail that Disney has. This is such a cool like window over by Baseline. It says Angelino Alterations, a little stitch of heaven, crafted in Los Angeles. This does feel like a window, like a shop window that we would see like in MacArthur Park in LA, doesn't it?
It does.
Yeah, it's kind of cool.
Well, it's been about a year, and we're still sitting here. How we doing on that drink?
It's really good.
I'm about the same.
Yeah, let's look at
So
yours.
whether it's just lethargy or the fact that we did get our
So we got COVID boosters yesterday, and I'm wondering if it took a whole 24 hours to hit us.
because we're feeling
we're tired.
Yeah. We are. The alcohol had
my
nothing to do
arm-
with this.
Yeah, no. Like my arm has been sensitive like since about last night. Like it feels like it's only getting worse. Like it feels heavy. Like I have a heavy wing, guys.
Mine hurts too. And that coupled with the fact that the line situation here is just not good at all.
It's not great.
So I think we're gonna like work our way out of the park.
Maybe we'll go through some more shops and see if there's anything to see.
Yeah.
There might not be.
I don't know. No promises. And then I think we'll keep you guys with us. We have an interesting dinner in mind for tonight. So if that materializes, we'll show you that. Well, there's this new breakfast burrito that they serve for dinner at one of our favorite places called Bubba-Coos. It's in Celebration, the town that Disney built.
Yep.
We've done a whole video about that. I'll share that link in the comments or in the description below. Awesome burritos.
Yeah, they are good.
Very tasty. And I love that shopping center. There's a smash burger over there, right? Is it smash burger?
It's a fat burger.
Fat burger, thank you.
So it's like our old, like one of our favorite hamburger joints from Los Angeles.
Yeah. There's like
they just opened a Dave's Hot Chicken over there.
Yes,
they
they
opened
did.
a Slim Chickens.
Slim Chickens.
I think there's Celebration Brewery, which we've never been to.
Jeff's
but-
Bagel Run.
Oh, Jeff's Bagel Run was so good.
So good. And a really cool
and
Publix.
yeah. There's like a Great Gatsby Publix, right?
Great Gatsby.
I don't know. It looks very 20s.
I'd call it art. Yes, it's definitely Art Deco for
Art
sure.
Deco, right?
So, yeah, I think we're going to wrap this up. So give us another month or two, and then we'll leave Baseline Tap House before I head out, and we may or may not go and do the things we just talked about. Good evening, everybody. Well, it's been a couple hours since we left the park. Yeah, we are both in rough shape. I have maybe some sort of stomach flu. Something's bothering me. Amber was super tired when we left, so we came home. I took some medicine for me. I'm feeling a little better. Amber got a nice little nap in. On our way out of the park, we did find the t-shirt Amber wanted, so we'll show that when we get back. But right now, we're going to run over to Bubba-Coos and pick up some dinner. I'm going to have I'm having breakfast for dinner because I think it's kind of neutral food. It's like some eggs and some hash browns. So I'm going to try taking some nibbles off of that and see how it does. But when we get back, we'll show you the t-shirt Amber bought and give you a cautionary piece of advice about when you're buying merch. So first off to Bubba-Coos, and we'll see when we get home.
Well, hello.
Do I look okay, my wife says. You are always the most beautiful thing these eyes look upon. So I reviewed the last video you stop it. I reviewed the last video we took, and it was me talking to the camera basically from the same spot. about going to Bubba Coo's. It's been a couple of days. We did go to Bubba Coo's.
We did.
My breakfast burrito was lovely.
And I think I had steak and shrimp hibachi burrito. It was delicious too.
Yeah. But we were just tapped out. Like I said in the video, we were just tapped out that day and we didn't feel like filming anymore. So it's been a couple of days, but we wanted to wrap up this video because lingering, we mentioned going into the shops and Amber had a cautionary tale. So what happened?
Not so much a cautionary tale.
Well, it's just a good word of advice.
Yes. So earlier in this video, you will have seen, we stopped in because I wanted to look for the Dinos, the Gertie shirt.
Yeah.
And we did find it in Keystone Clothiers, which is kind of closer to the like the Man's Chinese, like where Minnie and Mickey's Runaway Railway are.
It's the second shop back on the main drag.
On the main drag. Yeah. So like if you're looking down the main drag
of Hollywood Studios.
So the first store is the Five and Dime, and then there's Keystone Clothiers.
Yeah.
And that's where we stopped, and they only had like a couple sizes in the shirt, and I had asked her, like, do you know if it's anywhere else in the park? And she said, oh, absolutely not. It's only here. I was like, oh, okay, well, that kind of sucks, wah-wah. So I just put on my list of things to look for, the next time we're in Hollywood Studios. On the way out, I was like, let me just pop into Five and Dime. And I found it. So they had all sizes when I popped in. So got my size.
I love it.
Isn't it fun? But the idea, it's not so much a cautionary tale as ask them if it's in other stores, and if they just answer you, maybe don't give up. Keep looking elsewhere. Yeah. But you can always ask them to like scan it with their like iPad or whatever, and that will for sure tell you if it's anywhere else. I just didn't ask her to do that when we were there.
It was busy. I get it.
It was really busy, but
and the circumstances changed. The cast member may not know that other stores now have merchandise that maybe they didn't in the past. So
I mean, heck, they could have just gotten a box delivered to the wrong store and they just put it out. So.
Yeah, so that's true too. Yeah. So it never hurts to just ask that. Think about it.
Yeah. So I was so excited to find it though. It's a cool shirt.
Nice. That's
awesome.
awesome.
I feel like it's a kind of a deep cut.
There you go. The more you know with Amber McDonald, ladies and gentlemen. All right, so that's going to do it for this video. If you made it this far, definitely go ahead and subscribe. We have some exciting content coming up. We are heading to Nashville in a matter of days. Between now and then, we're going to head over and do our last hurrah visit to Mama Mara. So we'll be back at Hollywood Studios later this week. I think we're going to do another round of this or that. We're going to walk from Polynesian to the Magic Kingdom.
Because the weather's going to be beautiful.
Yeah, take a nice long walk. So that content will be coming up, and then Nashville content will be coming up. But there might be a video in between there. We might start talking. There's so much Disney news that I feel like we should probably share some of it. And then we can have that video post while we're in Nashville.
There's also some Universal news, too. And
there's a huge... I mean, you've been watching
we have a fun...
TV.
Butterbeer epi that should be coming up soon.
Oh, that's right.
We've got a lot of stuff.
We do. So it's all coming. There's so much to look forward to. If you're not a subscriber,
stay tuned.
Hit the subscribe button. If you are a subscriber, thank you so much. We hit 675 today. We're on our way to 1,000. So exciting. Guys, do all the things the YouTubers say. Share, comment, all those things. And until next time, have fun storming the castle.
And stay magical.